Document to transaction automation with Vision AI. To begin, simply upload your documents to the Vision AI platform. We support a wide range of file formats including PDF, text, Word, Excel, image, and even PDF with image. This flexibility ensures that your documents are compatible with our system. Vision AI employs an algorithm designed to analyze document layout. Your purchase orders can be seamlessly converted into sales orders. Orders will be analyzed to ensure that the Vision AI engine could interpret data irrespective of the format, making the process seamless. Once the AI model is optimized, the Vision AI data interpretation module takes over. It converts your documents into structured transactions. The processed data is then exported to an Excel file, ready for seamless integration into your SAP or any other ERP for order processing. Thank you for watching.